new batch of Russian T-62s on their way to the front. And some history at the end. Around 30 people perished from immediate blast trauma and acute radiation syndrome in the seconds to months following the Chernobyl disaster in April 1986. 8 months after the nuclear accident, workers made a startling discovery. Upon entering a corridor beneath the damaged number 4 reactor, they found a black lava-like substance flowing from the reactor core, resembling a man-made volcano. Among these hardened masses, one stood out and was nicknamed Elephant's Foot, due to its resemblance to the foot of a large mammal. The elephant's foot is a solid mass of melted nuclear fuel mixed with concrete, sand, and core sealing material. At the time of its discovery, the elephant's foot was emitting approximately 8,000 to 10,000 Roentgens, or 80 to 100 grays per hour, delivering a lethal dose of radiation, 4.5 grays, within just 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense,